Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. This video contains a very beautiful design ideas of 3D floral embroidery patterns for hand embroidery dresses, for shirts, for kameez, kurti, any type of top, and even you can design these very beautiful patterns of embroidery onto the dresses or clothes of your baby girls as well. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my channel for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos with your friends and family. And if you have already subscribed, then subscribers are very important. You can also subscribe from a number of other devices as well. So now let's move back towards our main concept. The different type of stylized patterns of hand embroidery are inspired from 3D, along with a very beautiful touch of girl embroidery, hair embroidery, and beginner-friendly stitches like Brazilian embroidery, satin embroidery, Chinese embroidery, traditional type of Indian and Pakistani embroidery, and many more different touches of Ukrainian style embroidery. Different colors of threads adds more decency to the whole pattern, giving the embroidery lover or embroidery artist a more creative and artistic view. So you can exactly use these hand embroidery patterns along with the exact color combination of threads for making the embroidery pattern of your own by sitting at your home instead of going for or searching out for a number of embroidery patterns which you are going to make. All of these are highly creative and at the same time they are beginner friendly, because of which beginner friendly stitches are being used for making these patterns. I would highly recommend you to do try these patterns and share your experiences with us. And in the comment section, don't forget to leave the comment mentioning which design you like the most and why. And guys, most of the times we try our best to do and share amazing and trending ideas with you. The basic concern and intent behind making our videos of different collections of hand embroidery designs is to share some creative and beautiful ideas with you. Our intent or basic or background purpose is never to reclaim someone else's work as our own. So you can also share your opinions and views that what you want us to share with you in our latest and upcoming videos. Until then, guys, take care. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing stylish and amazing ideas. And stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. Your suggestions and opinions are highly appreciated and they are only source of connecting with you. So keep connecting with us and keep leaving comments in the comments box. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.